Hey, what's up everyone and welcome to Daily Code Buffer. In this video of JS Buffer, we are going to see the last index of function of an array. So last index of function will return the last occurrence of an element in an array. So let's take one example over here. We are taking the fruits array over here and we have banana, orange, apple, banana and mango over here. And here we will use the last index of method. I will just give constant index equals to fruits dot last index of, and here last index of says that returns the index of the last occurrence of a specified value in an array, or -1 if it's not present. So we'll use this function and here we will pass the last occurrence of an orange, and let's print this value console.log I over here, and let's run this. And here you can see that the last occurrence of an orange inside a fruits array is in the first index over here. Now if we give banana over here, we have two bananas at the first, at the 0th index and at the 3rd index over here. So as per this, we should be receiving the 3rd index over here. You can see that we are receiving the 3rd index. So this way the last index of will return the last element of an array. So that's it in this quick tutorial of JS Buffer. I hope you like this. Give us a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for the upcoming videos. I will see you in the next video. Till then, happy coding. Bye bye.